This is how we solve simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. We write our equations here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Then 4x minus y is equal to 9. The next thing we do is that you ask yourself, which letter here, which letter do you want to eliminate? We have x and we have y. If you want to eliminate x, then look at the coefficient of x. Do like this. So let me eliminate x. If I want to eliminate x, I look at the coefficients. The coefficient of the upper x is 3. I write it down here. And the coefficient of the lower x is 4. I write it up here. After I write that like that, I multiply everything inside the bracket by the number outside. So if I open the first bracket, it is 4 times 3x. I will have what? 12x. Here we have a plus. 4 times 2 is 8y. Is equal to 4 times 12 is 48. Alright. Now from there, we go to the second bracket. 3 times 4. We'll have 12x. Before we multiply, here we have a minus. We write the minus here. So 3 times y is 3y. Is equal to 3 times 9 is 27. Look at what has happened to x. X is now balanced. When it is balanced, it becomes easy to eliminate it. Now 12x and 12x, all of them are positive. If all of them are positive, then we minus so that we eliminate it. So 12x minus 12x is 0. Okay, and 8y minus 3. So look at this, 8y minus 3y. So this a minus and this a minus, so they become 8y plus 3y. What's the answer? It will be 11y is equal to, so 48 minus 27. What's the answer? This is 1, this is 2. The answer is 21. Y is equals to 21 over 11. 21 over 11. Now, once we have gotten the value of the first letter, that's why we can use one of the equations to substitute with the value of y. I can use equation 2. Equation 2. We used this equation here. So we can say 4x is equals to 9 plus y. What next? X is equals to 9 plus y over 4. That is what we have there. We substitute with the value of y. If we substitute here, we have x is equals to 9 over 4. 9 over 4 plus 21 over 11. 9 plus 21 over 11 is what? This is the same as 9 over 1 plus 21 over 11. What we have is 11. 1 goes here. 11, that is 99. 11 goes here, 1 plus 21. So 21 plus 99. This is 0, 1, 11, 12. So we have 120. So it will be 120 over 11 equals x is equal to 120 over 11 over 4. Okay, so what is this? How can we do this? Is the same as x is equal to 120 over 11 divided by 4 over 1. So we can do this. X is equal to 120 over 11 times 1 over 4. This 4 will cancel here. How many times? 30. Therefore x will be equal to 30 over 11. X will be equal to 30 over 11. Up to that point, I hope you have understood. And now I give you the assignment. Once you're done with the assignment, send your answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you.